Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location within the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then use the sign in button to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which you can browse for various items to shop. Now, if you wish to change your location, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. Now, within the settings menu, you will find your location option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose your location from the list of the locations available, or you can also use the search box and then type in your desired location. After choosing your location, you can click on the Continue to the country's website option, and you will be asked to log into your account once again. For the chosen country's server, just enter your credentials, or you can also use your Facebook or your Google account. After logging into your account, your location on this application will be changed right away, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your location. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location within the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.